this is Christian Janicki back with another video. The Colt 1911 Target video. I want to give a good shout out to my boys at L&D Outdoors, Sladen Dunlap and his boy from L&D Outdoors. Check them out. Check out their new video. It comes with its own little clip magazine. And I had to buy the BBs separate, but it came with like 6 or 7 BBs. The Colt .12G 6mm 2000 clear green ones from Dollar General. Check out John Breakdown from the John Breakdown Nation podcast. And check out L&D Outdoors. Thank you.